How to check the quality of pregnancy test. Step 1. Appearance inspection of inner and outer packaging. Look directly if the package is completely. If it is no damage, lot number and expiry date information are correct. Step 2. Appearance inspection of the test. Inspection method is looking directly. The appearance is completely no damage. The strip or cassette or midstream are assembled completely, and the display area is no damaged. Step 3. Performance test. Operate according to the product manual. First, chromatography speed. It can be measured at the same time as the quality control product or urine measurement, greater than or equal to 10 mm per minute. Second, sensitivity detection. If there is a quality control product, it can be detected with a 25 ml per millimeter or specific value HCG quality control product. It should be positive. Third, clinical urine verification test. Negative urine test, the result should be negative. Positive urine test, the result should be positive.